coolest guy on earth. I can't watch it.
You pull out into a wall and not think twice about it.
Hello world, welcome back to Accelerate and welcome to our year in review.
Our year in review.
Our year in review, a whole year.
I know.
It's crazy.
Yeah. Well, first things first though, hope everyone had a very, very good Christmas and got everything they wanted and deserved.
Yep, I certainly did.
Yeah.
I treated myself this year, bought myself one of my dream cars. If you haven't seen it already, I will link it above. Go and watch it because even you were surprised.
I really was.
Oh shit!
Yeah, I wasn't expecting him to go for something like he did. He usually do buy sheds.
Well, that's not good. I stepped it up for once.
He really does. He'd rather have 20 sheds than one something nice. So yeah, I'm really, really happy for you.
Yeah, so basically we're just going to take a run through of, I don't know, how it all happened, what we've got in the future, what you guys want to see.
Yeah, because obviously beginning of the year, it was very daunting.
Terrifying.
Yeah, because obviously we did literally throw it together basically.
Yeah, I mean, let's
put
go
the idea together.
Yeah, let's go right to the beginning. I mean,
okay, yeah. Actually, before we start that, for those who don't know us, let's say we're cousins.
Yep.
We've known each other pretty much all our lives.
Yeah. Funny that, isn't it?
Yeah, weird.
But we've always been into cars, both of it. In fairness, you were probably a big reason I'm so into cars, and more specifically, you're definitely the reason I got into modified cars.
Yeah, well, I am
big.
a few years older than you, so I do remember, like, you know, being 18 when I pulled up in my CRX.
Yeah, and I was obviously too young to drive, so I just remember thinking that you are the coolest guy on earth. And even going out with my friends, they'd always be like, oh, where's Kenny and his cool car? So,
class.
Yeah, and I've always been into videography and photography.
Yeah.
You mentioned the whole YouTube thing, because you'd always wanted to do a YouTube channel, and we just thought, oh my God.
Yeah, you mentioned it to a few people. And
I'd mentioned it to a few people.
I didn't know at the time you were looking at doing that.
Yeah, so I mentioned to a few people, oh, I'd love to do YouTube, and it's sort of like, yeah. Nothing ever came of it. Yeah. So mentioned it to Kenny, he was like, yeah, let's do it. And I thought nothing's going to come of it. And then all of a sudden, Kenny was like, come on then, why are we doing it?
Yeah, well,
so
I actually remember how it happened. We were stood outside Ross's, mechanic of mine, really good friend of mine. He was doing my TTRS, doing the clutch on it. And you took me down to go and get it.
Yeah.
And you mentioned then, I would like to do a YouTube. And I said, well, let's do it. Why don't we do it? And I think your attitude was like, yeah, okay, we'll see what happens.
It was, because I didn't believe you.
And then the next couple of days, I was like, right, okay, so
this is the plan, you're going to come up here, we're going to do this. And oh my God, he actually wants to do it.
And that was it, basically. We just went in head first.
Yeah. And now, the first video is a bit of a funny one. Our very first video was actually the TTRS wing mirror indicator replacement.
Yeah, now we've done that as a trial. Yeah, we just wanted to try something.
Because it's a bit risky for your first video, I think, to do a how-to, because you're like, oh, you're not doing it right, blah, blah, blah. But we basically did it as you had the part there, you needed to fit it.
Yeah.
I got an idea, I need to try my editing skills, and you've never been on camera really, so it's like, let's just try it.
Let's give it a go and see what happens.
It came together so well.
Yeah, but you sent it to me. I was out walking with Taylor up the mountains, and you sent me the video, and you were like, "What do you think?" And I was like, "Put it online." And you said, "Really?" And I was like, "Yeah, upload it."
That's what I can't remember.
Yeah, that's what I said. I remember. It's weird what you remember, isn't it?
Yeah, my memory's shocking.
Yeah, it was just that was it. And I was like, upload it, and we'll go from there.
And again, the response we got from that, it was unbelievable, and that's what pushed us to do the next video, which was, I would say, I mean, our first proper. Right, so it was a feature, wasn't it?
Yeah. Say we done the TTRS. Obviously, I had that here at the time.
Yep. Didn't have a clue what we were doing.
It took us all day.
Yeah.
And some.
Yeah. I mean, I've watched YouTube. I mean, I watch YouTube religiously, but it's so funny watching videos. Oh yeah, I'll do that. When you're in charge of it, it's terrifying, and your mind just goes blank.
The problem was we were trying to do takes, and
oh Christ, how many takes did we do?
But yeah, we were rather than just going for it, we were trying to script it, and
everything had to be perfect. And
if you watch it now, it is quite cringy. Because it does feel very, very scripted, but it was just something we tried the first time.
And we look unenthusiastic, but I think it's just nerves.
It was nerves, because you wouldn't want to.
Performance-wise, what turbo are we running?
I
know you can't shut me up.
Yeah, exactly.
Brilliant.
Yeah, now he's him.
Yeah.
But yeah, once again, Liam was there. He helped us out for the day, and
we've got to say
thank you to Liam.
Yeah, because it wasn't even his car. He came just out of curiosity, I think.
Yeah, he wanted to see what was going on.
But he brought his car as an extra, as a camera car, and so forth. And we didn't mess it. Something happened with a lot of the footage that we thought, oh my God, it's supposed to be going out like the next day or something.
Yeah.
And we realised all the footage had gone. So Liam, even though he was in work, he left his keys. He said, yep, go and grab the car, do what you need to do, and just bring it back. So honestly, man, we always say about it, we really appreciate it.
Yeah.
And it's people like that are helping us get to where we are now. So.
Yeah, well, to be honest, he was the first one really that gave us the keys to
our
his car.
first feature that wasn't ours.
Is
that's
Liam's Audi A5.
Liam's
and if you haven't seen that, go check it out. It's not one of our greatest ones, but it's still over 43,000 views.
It's our best video view-wise, but I can't watch it.
I know. Well,
I cannot watch it.
The problem is we were using music at the beginning, and some of it was copied, but which we didn't know. So we've had to edit over it with the YouTube studio, and it sounds terrible.
But they don't. It's not even an editing studio. They literally say, "Do you want to chuck this crap music over it?" And it ruins it.
It has ruined it, but it still had really, really good response.
Yeah, we're still getting comments and stuff on it now, compliments. So I mean, thanks guys.
Yeah, cheers. Yeah, so we still appreciate.
But Christ, we're doing way better than I know.
Yeah, you say the quality of our videos obviously improved. Your editing has just gone through the roof. You know, everyone's got to remember as well. He's got a full-time job.
Yes, yeah.
At the beginning, you were on furlough.
Yeah.
But now, obviously, he's working Monday to Friday. We're trying to film on the weekends. He's editing through the week, so, you know, credit to him. We wouldn't be where we are without you.
And I have no editing background or anything. It's just something I've always learned. I just dove in and just had a go, so I appreciate that.
No problem, man. Like I said, I've had a little go, but he's got OCD. Yeah. My first edit wasn't too bad, but...
I want to clear that up, because everyone's like, oh, why doesn't Kenny do? Why doesn't Kenny do? He's tried.
Yeah,
but
if you know
I won't let him.
You'll know. Like, you'll know. So our support network, we're really grateful for everyone around us.
Incredible.
Massive shout out to Kyle. Thanks.
So Kyle Jones, obviously you know who you are. Not only, I mean, I don't know where to start. Not only he's a good friend, he helps us out with car stuff.
Yeah.
Every new car he gets, he's always buying a new car. Do you want to do a video?
Yeah, and he was the very first person who threw us the keys and just said, "Go and do it, have some fun, go nuts."
And I mean, literally, he was in work again. He was like, "Yeah, just bring it back when you're done."
Yeah.
I mean, to have that trust, like I said, I mean, he is a friend, but I hate people driving my cars.
Yeah, same, yeah.
So, honest,
Well, you just pulled the Fiesta out, and I was just like, watch that, watch that stone,
you know? Watching me reverse.
And I would literally pull out into a wall and not think twice about it. But that's the way people are about their cars. You know? And that's the other thing, we do understand what people are like with their cars, so we don't expect to drive everything, but everyone we have...
I think it's that thing that everyone
just given us the keys.
Everyone has just given us the keys.
But we do treat everything with respect, and
we pride ourselves on that.
Does, you know,
it does show. And we do want to. I mean, I want to put in perspective. A lot of the people that we feature, we've never met them before.
No, there's a lot.
So we're meeting these people within a couple of hours. Their pride and joy. They're giving us the keys and say, right, go nuts. And it amazes me when they say, go nuts. Make sure you have fun. Make sure you rag it a bit, because that's the best part about the.
Exactly.
I mean, honestly, it blows our mind. And
for the trust.
Yeah, you cannot buy that kind of trust.
And we always get people say as well. They text us after the day, and they're like, oh, what, you know, they had so much fun.
They always say it's interesting to see behind the scenes. They can't believe that we're as genuine as we are off camera as we are on.
Well, this is us. The way you see us on here.
Yeah.
We will mess around a little bit more probably off camera, but...
a lot of it we probably can't put on.
No, there's a lot of it. I do say the odd word I can't use and stuff, but...
I've had so many people say, it looks like you're having fun while you do it. We do. We really do this because we love it.
And that's as I said, we would like to do this in the future full time. We do love doing it.
Imagine, I mean, people love the quality now and the content now. If we can do this full time, guys, this would be...
Yes.
We've got so many plans that would just shoot us into the stratosphere.
Yeah.
So stick with us.
Yeah.
Keep doing what you're doing.
Keep supporting us if you can, And
we're going the right way.
We'll take you all the way with us.
Yes.
Damn it. So a couple of people just want to give a quick shout out to. If we don't mention you, please don't take it personally. We just got so many people that
which is unreal.
It's crazy. Say Ross, a good friend of mine, owns Cassley Autocare.
Yeah.
He always looks after me with the cars and stuff. I'm like, oh, I need something done because we've got to go film.
And you need it now.
Fair play. You know, I can't thank him enough for that. Ashley, your brother.
Yeah.
You had a times, man. You're like, you're a Stiffler. But no, we still appreciate what you do with us.
Yeah, again, I mean, he's always supported us. He understands what we're trying to do. Again, with the S-Class, he's got, that's a big, expensive car. And once again, he just threw us the keys. Do what you need to do.
He just bought a Golf R, which he's tweaking at the moment. So actually,
when he's happy
please
with
hurry up and get it done, because
I
still haven't experienced the car, and I purposely haven't because I want to do it all on camera.
Yes,
I know how impressive these cars are. I know they're very common, but I know how impressive they are, and I really think I'm going to get people blown away with it.
And I want to see your reaction.
Once again, Anthony. Another big supporter of ours, a big help.
I mean, from the beginning, just the support that we get.
Yeah. Dan Keating, Easy Boys.
Yeah,
once again, he's a nice. We help him out. He helps us out.
Yeah.
Once again, massive thanks to you. Hopefully 2022 is going to be a big year.
Even Dan's got a lot planned. We've got a lot planned with the partnership and things like that. We are going to push a lot more.
It is a very small brand, but honestly, if you order stuff, you will be so impressed. We've also got a discount code.
Yep, in the description for 15% off absolutely everything.
Yep.
So...
Yeah, and once again, one more shout out is our colleagues. Every time I go into work, the boys asking me how you know I was going, and they always say, well, how well, this car is any good, and you know, it's
you. Obviously, you don't do Monday to Friday, but I absolutely love that every Friday we release a video. Every Monday. I mean, Ben especially, Stu, I mean, Di as well. I mean, they all come up to me and they're like,
Monday morning.
I can guarantee I've got to come in like 10 minutes earlier just so I can get all these conversations out of the way. It's brilliant. I absolutely love it.
That's the same, like say Harris in work.
Yeah.
Sharky, he keeps telling me, oh, my boy watch a video and it's brilliant, you know.
And again, we do it, like we always say, you see the numbers on the video, but when you see people like, oh, I saw the video, it's like,
that's what
people
matters.
are watching us. It's crazy.
Course,
one last, I mean, Sean Harrington. I haven't. I mean, I worked with him many years. We've got to hook you guys up. We've got to meet up. What a legend. Still supporting us. I want to meet. I say I haven't seen him for a while. He's bought every piece of merch.
Every time we release something. So
honestly, as I said, just.
Yeah, our support network is fantastic.
Although we haven't got the biggest following yet, the quality of the following we got is just
we're over the moon. We are blown away
level.
There, honestly. We weren't expecting to be where we were right now.
No.
Next thing I want to mention, though, is our merch.
Oh, yes.
So, obviously, we've had a little bit of a break in between.
2 seconds. Sorry to interrupt you, but I just want to go back. The whole thing, the reason the merch came about, we wanted merch just for our videos, look a bit more professional, to just show off
uniform
the brand a bit.
Yeah.
And then we were getting people messaging us, oh, where can we get the hoodies then? Going into work, where can we get the hoodies? And we were like, we never intended on selling. We didn't think anyone would want to wear our stuff.
No.
But again, even now, we'll do a merch order. It just went nuts.
Yeah, it really did, because Mark was doing them for us originally.
Yeah, I've got to say a massive shout out to Mark. Obviously, Classic Tune UK. He did our first batch, but I mean, I'm sure many of you can relate. He's running his own garage. The builds he's got on, I mean, the work he does is phenomenal.
But he's there till 10, 11 o'clock
at
night.
Because it's his business, he's always doing overtime. So yeah, that's why we thought we'd take the stress off him, to be honest.
I felt that we were putting such big orders in, it was just too much stress for him. So
I'd rather him work on cars.
Exactly, and like I said, he's got a family, so we put the business elsewhere just to try and, you know, take the load off him. But we've got a new person on board with us, Martin. Once again, thank you for your support. We've got some hoodies coming in soon, which we're changing the make of hoodie.
But basically, in fairness to Kenny, he's always, this is what the type of thing that people don't see, is Kenny's in the back, he's trialing different brands. Not only trying to find people to do it, but different brands that you want those people to use.
Yeah, well, this is it. It's the quality, you know. We at the moment, we've only charged people for cost for hoodies and stuff. We haven't charged any extra.
So that's another thing. People, how much are you making on merch? Like, nothing. We're just trying to get our brand out there.
We want our brand out there, and we want, obviously, you guys to have the best deal you can. But these hoodies, I've had a few people complain they're a bit short. So I've now got a different brand we're going to be using. We've got the 2 trials coming at the end of this week.
Yep. So
we'll see how that goes, and we'll hopefully get an order in them for January.
One thing I've been impressed with.
Yeah.
We tried the first face mask, and I know a couple of people I think have bought the first ones. Anyway, I think anyone who's bought them, I'd like to give them these ones. We've got better quality ones, and they just fit.
They are so much nicer.
So much comfier.
With obviously the Accelerate logo.
Yep. And honestly, I say the way it sits on the fit is just, really nice.
We're going to be doing a giveaway when we'll mention that later, so keep an eye out for that.
Yes.
So yeah, we got a couple of things in the pipeline merch-wise, but if there's anything you guys can think you would actually want to see with Accelerate on it.
Yeah, because we've had a few ideas.
Sorry. Something you want to see?
Just making sure we're doing what, you know.
Cheers,
sure
the workshop supervisor. Thank you, buddy. Thank you. Yeah.
But no, we've had a few ideas from people, and if it is something that genuinely, because it costs money to get everything set up, not just make them, but to get everything in line and order. And so, but if you've got some ideas, let us know. If it is feasible, then we'll definitely look into it.
Yeah, definitely. Like I said, you know, at the end of the day, we want to do things that people actually want.
Yeah.
Sit down, buddy. So yeah, it'd be nice to obviously get some ideas in.
Yeah.
So yeah, also we're going to do more review. Well, we're thinking of doing more reviews.
Yeah, let's clear something up, because we get this a lot.
Yeah.
The main thing we do at the moment is feature cars, and when we say feature, we mean getting someone's pride and joy, literally just showing off their pride and joy.
Yeah, it's not a buyer's guide. It's
no
not
means
a review.
No.
You got to look back at like the Max Power fast car days. This is the sort of thing we do on camera, as opposed to.
That's a good way of putting it. Like a magazine.
Yeah,
feature.
Yeah, it's to show off that car.
Yeah, it's not going into
the line.
Not to miles per gallon.
No,
it's a bit. No,
it's what that car is about.
Yeah.
We are looking to do more reviews if people want to see a review.
Yeah,
because we have had a few people.
We've had a few people. Yeah, when we would with a review. We very much would segregate feature and review. We would be more critical of pros and cons.
And be more informative.
Yeah, definitely.
This is it, yeah. So we have got one of those coming up next week, actually. Why's my table?
We've got...
Bruce.
we have got our first review coming up, and it will be marketed as a review, so you guys will know the difference. But
yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
We are looking to go live on the 3rd of January.
Yes.
That's a Monday. It's a bank holiday.
Yep.
Hang on a minute.
Table's
Bruce, what are you doing, buddy? Good boy. Sit.
So the last time we went live was actually our first time.
And
Once again, it was just a phenomenal experience. We didn't think anyone had actually tuned in.
And everyone like really enjoyed it.
We did it at the stupidest time during the rugby match.
Yeah,
but
Wales were playing.
Yeah, still people took the time to not only watch us, we had people interacting with us. It was surreal.
Yeah,
so we're going to do it again. We're going to plan it a bit better.
Yeah.
So, what you think? Monday the 3rd of January.
Monday the 3rd of January. It's a bank holiday. We're either going to do 6 or 7
6 or 7, that's it. Let us know.
Let us know, yeah.
Because we want to be there, obviously, when you guys are sort of chilling, when you've got free time. So let us know. We will be...
Yeah, sorry, go on.
We will be doing some sort of small giveaways for anyone that does watch.
We're going to try and do more of a Q&A. We want your opinions. We want your... advice.
You guys are watching us.
This is it. We want to make content for you.
Yeah.
So anything you think, that you want to see or anything, just let us know.
Very quickly, a year in review it still blows my mind now when we go to a feature. Even just the people we're meeting. The people we're meeting, the stories we hear.
Yeah, we've got building friendships. Like a couple of people we had a really good laugh, like Stafford and guys like that. We went on set. We just had an absolute laugh.
And like Savannah, like I say, the personalities.
It's good, really good to meet new people and
going to the shows, getting recognised at shows was
mental.
Like a celebrity moment.
Yeah, that was just mental. It took us like an hour and a half to get from one point to another. People kept stopping us.
And then we met people like Lee, who was obviously going to be an ongoing relationship, I think, because we're obviously going to visit him. It's just honestly, it's unreal. I think the main thing is a year in review. We are so happy. We're so grateful for you guys. We got so much.
We got all pushed us to get 2022. Yeah. We are going to have a couple of weeks break. So if there is a slight gap in the videos, please understand.
Yeah.
Like I said, we both work full time.
Yes, I think a lot of people
don't realize that.
Yeah. Do
you know what I mean? Yeah. So we've had one weekend off this year,
which is quite impressive.
Do you know what I mean? It is, but I've enjoyed it. It's been a really good experience.
It's long hours and it's stressful, but when we do the features and when we get the support, that's what makes it worth it.
Yeah, exactly. So get ready for 2022.
Yes, honestly, it's
big year. We got some massive plans. That Evo's going to be gone very soon.
Yeah,
I'm confident of it, and we've got something really, really cool coming.
Planned, yes.
Don't expect a Gallardo or a GTR or something. It's going to be something a little bit more low key, but something that's going to be.
But what we're doing with
I think it's going to take Accelerate to the next level.
Ooh, I like it.
I really do.
Even I'm intrigued. So yes, right. Stay tuned, guys. Yes. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for the support.
Yep.
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you
in the next one. Oh, that bad was it?
I think it's time to stop.
Cheers, buddy.